Welcome to the topic of separable differential equations. Let's explore the concept thoroughly and solve a problem step by step. Separable differential equations can be solved through direct integration. The general form is frac dy dx equal to fxy. We will classify and solve these types step by step. An equation is said to be separable if it can be arranged as emma x dx plus ny equals 0. This allows us to separate the variables for integration. Consider the equation dy dx equals frac x to the 1 minus y. Let's see if it is separable. Rearranging gives us minus x plus 1 minus y to order dx equals 0. This matches our separable form. To proceed, we utilize the chain rule, frac ix for foy dx, where matter phi f through s. Incorporating this into our equation leads us to frac dx left minus frac through 3 plus y minus frac 3 right equals 0, which simplifies to plus y minus frac y squared 3 equals c, where c is a constant. In summary, we can solve separable differential equations through direct integration by rearranging them into the separable form. Explore more on the applications and exercises related to this topic to strengthen your understanding. Thank you for learning about separable differential equations with us.